This is the Beast Mode Developments YouTube channel, so welcome. What can I use my gun? Welcome back to another episode of Beast Mode Developments. I don't know what just happened there, ignore that. Welcome back to another episode of Beast Mode Developments. We've done a load of stuff on the van already. Today Ben is going to make a start with the wiring.
Sendoa Beats.
Basically, a lot of the time consuming goes into the, what do you call these? This thing you do.
Spreadsheet.
The spreadsheets. Ben does spreadsheets, and this is to basically to shorten the time that he has to spend doing things. He does all the studying beforehand, writes where everything needs to be relocated to, or whether it needs to be reused, whether it doesn't need to be reused and just taken out, and then he does this. That stuff he's doing now. So it does save him a lot of time in the long run, instead of going through it all as he's doing it. He does it all beforehand, and this is the part where I get lost. I'm just like, and then when Ben puts these pins in and they go in first time, what do we say?
Like a glove.
Like a glove. So yeah, it's just gonna crack on with them bits and gonna repin it all shortly. Quick sentence or two. What's the plan? What's happening now?
This is so weird.
You just have to talk to the camera, bro. Just tell them what you're doing.
I know, but you're like...
Yeah, I know, but it can't be like a minute and a half. It's like what I done. It's just gets boring.
It's not fair. He gets time to sit down on his stool and say, right, guys, this and that, blah, 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 and I don't. I just have to do this, and that's where it cuts. It goes...
Right, so now that we're finished... I'm joking, go on.
So basically what we've got here, these are the pins off of the TFSI side of the ECU that we need to incorporate back into the original plug. What I'm doing here is unpinning the caddy ECU and noting down some of these will be reused. So we've got old stuff, like for example here, that's the boost sensor. We've got MAF sensor, air mass meter, diesel in that case, that we won't be reusing, so they will come out. But then we've got stuff like the brake light switch, which will be repinned in a different position within the ECU. So we're just going through taking out the exhaust gas sensors. Canvas wires will be reused. So we're just marking out which ones are which, and then we'll start removing once we've gone through the whole 94 pin plug. We'll start removing what's not needed, and then we'll start, putting everything back in, taping up the loom.
Savage.
Savage.
So guys, whilst whilst going through a few other bits, we pull the dipstick out to check oil level, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but the oil is actually up to about here, which is no good. I've got no idea why there's so much oil in here, or who done it, but we're gonna have to drop the oil out, drain all the oil, gonna give it an oil service. We've spoke to the customer already, so gonna have an oil service and a new filter, but that is way too much oil. It's just the TFSI stuff. So all the TFSI stuff. 22, 21. So that's the end of another episode on the Beast Mode Developments YouTube channel. Ben did manage to get quite a bit of wiring done today. So I'm just editing it up now. So I'm at home. But yeah, cracking on with it. So you guys will see this and you will see this. But yeah, another one of these Beast Mode Development tops. This is another one of the new ones. I think the design is amazing. But as I said, they're not going to be available to the public just yet. Give it another week or two once they've been run through the wash a few times. Also, teambeastmode.bigcartel.com. That's where you need to go to get your air fresheners, sun strips, your stickers, and the t-shirts will be on there once they're available to the public. But until then, I'll catch you guys soon.